What is butterfly? That's not a very easy question to answer. The simplicity would be that butterfly is a mirror to see yourself. Anybody who desires to know would look in this mirror. That's what butterfly is. To explain what it is the power of three in action. The power of three helps us get out of a duality. This duality would be right or wrong, compulsively believing. When we have a different process in us, which is knowing. So the things that I'd like to share with you and show you over time is that butterfly is not religion, even though it will trigger a lot of people to assume that this is religion. But it is not religion because religion utilizes belief. And in that, this would be more like math than religion. Because math does not use belief. It uses reason and logic. It can be taught and shown. Now, to show you the power of three, this kind of will make sense to a lot of people, but to make sense to everybody, the power of three will help you understand if this is math, then this is spiritual math. And there's only two kinds of math that I know. The spiritual math, and then the other type of math, which is religious math. Now, religious math and spiritual math can be explained by understanding the religious path and the spiritual path. So the religious path is a communal path. It is a path that you are on with others. And I don't want to say anything greater because I don't want to trigger anybody. This is past, good or bad. This is how things are. So a religious path, once again, is a communal, a social path. A spiritual path is an individual's path in life. There's only one that is experiencing life. And right now, I would say you are on a spiritual path, trying to figure out what is life. We have religion and other religions that explain what other people believe about life. But within you, your spiritual path is, you're trying to figure that out still. Your mind has led you to believe that you know, in error. And the truth is, you only believe. And when we believe, we stop the journey. When we know we don't know, well, is when we keep going on this journey. The truth is, when you realize that you do not know, you're going to wake up the next day with a desire to know. So looking in the mirror is self-inquiry, which is an Eastern concept, and we have to learn how. So all this stuff I'm explaining, kind of like math. So to use math, for you to understand, when you learn multiplications, multiplying anything times one reflected itself. The easiest math in the world to learn, the multiplication was a times one. Well, this stuff is easier than that. But you have to know the one. And ironically, your mind is compulsively dividing you from the one. And when you understand the concept of all, that we are all one, then you start understanding things a little bit greater. So Einstein, his theory of relativity, I'll use a little poetic math. His theory of relativity, E equals mc squared. To my mind, that is an invitation for us to look in the mirror. If you look at E equals energy and M equals matter, and C equals to SEE, to see something, and squared is to see itself, the matter. So energy equals how matter sees itself. So if you want to improve or enhance your energy, all you need to do is look in the mirror. So Butorfly will show you how to do that. Good luck on your journey.